guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning on my Instagram, I posted a little clip of me making Play-Doh for Charlie, and a lot of you wanted to know how I made it. There are a ton of Play-Doh recipes on the internet. I think this one is pretty quick and easy. It's made out of stuff that you probably already have on hand. So if your kid likes playing with Play-Doh as much as mine, this is really nice because you can make a big batch of it. It saves money. I just find that it doesn't dry out as easily. It stays nice and squishy. And you can control the colors, like you can make more pastel ones if you want, or more really vibrant ones if you want. So it's just kind of fun. So I will post written instructions below, and I'll also post that over on my Instagram highlights. So if you want to just take a screenshot, I know I really like to do that when people post recipes and things. I just take a screenshot so that I have it on my phone. So yeah, let's get right into the video and I'll show you how I make this Play-Doh. So first you're gonna mix together your wet ingredients. So I'm just adding the food coloring to the water, and I use gel food coloring, but you can really use whatever kind of food coloring you want. And then you're just gonna add vegetable oil to that and stir it up. Then in a saucepan over on your stove, mix together the flour, salt, and cream of tartar. And then just add the water mixture to the flour mixture. Turn your stove on medium, maybe medium-low heat, and now you're just gonna start stirring. And I sped this up, but you're just gonna keep stirring, and eventually as you'll stir, you'll notice that it'll start to get kind of lumpy, which is a good sign, and then it'll really start to get thicker, and that's how you know it's becoming Play-Doh. When it's all done, it comes together into one big ball like this, and your Play-Doh is done. So next I just put it over on like a wire rack or just some kind of surface to cool down. And I did a little close-up here so that you can see how nice and squishy this Play-Doh is. So to store it, I just like to store mine in a Ziploc bag and just kind of squeeze all the air out, but you can store it in really any type of food storage container. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you make it, and be sure to tag me on Instagram so that I can see. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and you can also click the bell notifications if you want to be notified every time I post. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.